Welcome to the Fields of Code tutorial series, and to this tutorial, Report Data Markers Part 2. Note that this tutorial assumes you have already viewed Creating a Basic Report and Introduction to Reporting. Part 2 of the Report Data Markers will review the User Text Data Marker and the Image Data Markers. We will begin in the Report Gateway and create a new patient type report. The User Text Data Marker is used to add a simple static text label that will remain the same regardless of which patient or employee document it is attached to. Examples of uses of a text data marker would be a report title or header containing the name or address of the clinic. We find the icon for the text data marker on the top toolbar. Clicking this icon inserts a text box. This box can be repositioned with the mouse by clicking, holding, and dragging it into the desired position. The box can also be resized by placing the mouse at one of the resizing boxes, and you see where it turns into a double arrow on the corner or the side, clicking and holding and dragging to resize it. Using the Properties box found on the right-hand side here, the alignment of the text can be changed within the text box. Using the Alignment property, we can use the drop-down box and change the alignment to center. And the alignment will change within the text box itself, not within the page. Or the text font could be changed using the Font property box found here. We choose the Browse button here, and then we can choose the desired font, font style, and size. The color of the text can be adjusted using the Foreground Color text property. Again, with the Browse button, we can change the color of the text. Or the background color can be changed using the Background Color property. If, for example, we wanted to highlight our text with shading. The Many Lines attribute is unique to the user text element. This property allows you to add short descriptive paragraphs to the report by changing the attribute from No and using the drop-down box, changing it to Yes. Now if we go back to our box, we can add multiple lines of text. The next data marker we will look at are image data markers, and there are two types: static and adjustable images. Static images are those that remain the same whether on the design canvas or attached to a patient or employee document. An example of this type of image would be your business logo. To add a logo, click the Add an Image to the Canvas icon found here, and a generic image placeholder will appear on the canvas. Click on the placeholder and then go to the Image Properties box on the right-hand side. Click Select Image and choose the Browse button. And then go to wherever you would have your clinic logo on your hard drive or network. Note that the Fields of Code system will accept many different types of image files. And here we see our logo. Note that the static image markers cannot be resized, only repositioned. If you attempt to resize them, they simply go back to their original size. The other image data marker is the adjustable image. Adjustable image data markers are for patient and employee photos and will display specific patient or employee photos once the report is attached to a patient or employee document. Navigate using the Add One or More Data Markers to the canvas. Go to Patients, Personal, and here you'll see the patient picture data marker. We'll add that and using our mouse, click and drag it into a better position. Note that the employee and patient photos can be resized using the mouse. If we looked at Print Preview, we see that the logo image is displayed, but the patient image is simply a generic placeholder. If we attach this report to a patient document, using the Report tab in the patient document, the List, Add, and Remove Attached Reports, we can see now that the specific patient photo has been inserted into the report.